What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're checking out the new update. Well, let's get right into it.
Wait!
Any new items?
First things first, I have to grab my glow stick. My backpack.
Seems like that's a no. We might have to find stuff. So grappler and just pickaxe that I'm doing.
I'm doing a backpack just in case.
And probably pickaxe.
I'm gonna go in forest. Are you gonna come?
Yeah, I think that's the whole thing about the update, just forest.
I just have my glow.
Oh, what the?
Armstrong, why did you ogre?
Matria? So wait, we need to let this campfire? Yo, you can mine the trees! Ah! Why is it turning night? We forgot to mine trees!
Huh?
Yes! Quinn, we got the fire whip. Shotgun. What the hell is that? Can you get in here? The fuck?
Hello?
Quinn, should we run?
I just died. Hello?
I need fire, please. Nine nights in the forest. Nah, it's night. It's like full on night for me.
No, it's different.
So we have daily things. Quinn, we need to get something like good.
What?
What?
Huh?
Why'd they change the color of that? Did they bring things back? Unfortunately, no. Well, quickly, are we gonna go back?
Wait.
Quinn, I have an idea. Quinn, I have an idea. I know how we can do this. Come.
Wait a second.
There might be houses we have to raid.
Oh, yeah.
Think about it. I think the Ogre and the Armstrong are the cultists.
And what's the deer?
That freaky ass smart. Quickly, give it. Nope. Freaky. Freaky ass monster.
Yeah, freaky ass. Look at the top of his head!
If he can climb, I am scared.
I'm scared.
Can we have to get
Oh, shoot.
Quinn? Yeah,
You're stuck there.
Quinn. Maybe we could get the trees up here. No, we could try to get the trees.
It's the daylight.
All right, quickly, go. We have to mine as many trees as we can. And put them in a bag. Bro, I cannot afford to die again. Quickly, Quinn.
We're putting 90.
Dude, there should be balloons.
Go to the campfire. 99 nights in the
No.
forest.
No, over get.
Oh.
Alright, quickly, let's lit up the fire. Let's go. Upgrade. Can the ogre get past here? Oh, he can. Quinn?
What's over here? What's over here?
Ooh, free wood. Unless they did. Yo, there's a big tree! Help me!
I'm on the big tree. These give you like free.
Ooh, collect that.
I
Oh, there's a bigger tree.
I have good stats. You have,
We might actually do it.
I have,
Oh, that's
okay.
diamond from mine.
oh no, it's our campfire. It's out of fuel.
Add fire.
Big trees, big trees.
Mine. I'm gonna get 2 things. Is it turning night? It's turning night! Get the campfire.
With the free. Why are we getting money? Hello? Is there a new ghost, guys?
Clay. More like it. My question is if we can kill that guy. Is that him?
Yep.
No. You're going to be the death of us! Boy, we might have to make it work.
Hello? Wait, no, Ogre can't get you. Nope, I'm dead. Help me! Kill him!
And if we don't win this campfire, we are gonna be dead. Work! Probably one of my friends.
Is this real?
Please, just turn day already. Turn day!
But nah.
But no.
Heck nah. I'm getting the
No.
out of here.
No, please, let's go check out this cell. Hold on, there's like something. Dude, who are you? What the hell?
It's probably a glitch.
Yeah, a glitch. Yeah, it's just a glitch, guys. Quinn, we have to figure out something. Dude. Guys, what are we supposed to do? Are we listening?
So first things first, we're supposed to grab some rocket launchers.
Alright, you're right. I can't
About-
afford any because I'm only at 65k.
Alright, you can use 2 of mine.
So, are we gonna use those to kill the entity as well as mine, or trees, I guess?
No, we're gonna use 2. Probably be quick.
Yeah, I mean, we took 2 shotguns. The whispering. You're finally.
Declan? What is this?
Oh,
Beach map? Maybe chicken. It's the chicken.
yeah. What's that? I want that. There's a new item. Oh, never mind. It's just moving. Quickly, when we have to get back. This video is kind of sick. Where's the campfire? Ooh, crate. Flashbang. Oh, it's over. Quickly, we need to add fire to this.
What the heck?
String. Quickly, put that in your
You
bag.
grab it.
Alright. Well, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.